Awesome. Hey, this is Nick at the Gator Cutlery Show 2023. I was here to show you a few knives I got in, and pretty highly interested over the course of the show. Today we got the Glykon. Just dropped a few months back. It's new production Microtech. It's pretty good for ambidextrous for left hands too, so you won't have to change the clip or any other hardware on it. You got the firing button on the side, pretty comfortable. They just changed that, kind of like the Scarab II. Fits on the thumb a lot easier, doesn't ride up or be uncomfortable like some. You actually got these two switches right here, so if you were left-handed, it's a lot easier to function. Pretty cool design they just came out with. It's a bayonet blade, but also you can get down on it on the back for more work type cutting, not just a double-edged defense type knife. Really am liking the two-tone on the body. The clip is very, very comfortable. This just dropped in January 23, so it is a new production model.
It just came out this year.
Yeah. So on the other side of the spectrum, I got something very special. This is called a Combat Talon II, collabed with Walter Brend. It has a high polish, recurve blade on it. There's a few different models they did of this single action. They have the Talon, which is single edge. They got the Nemesis, which is double edge, and the Exodus, which is tanto edge. I was only, lucky enough to come across this one so far, but hopefully I'll finish my set of them. Single action. In a blade grind, you just do not see very often. Brend, his designs and his blade grinds are just untouchable. We're lucky, I was lucky enough to acquire this piece, and it is a collection piece, and it is not going anywhere with me. It'll stick with me for years to come. You got a charging handle on the right side, just like a Halo would. A little bit about the piece. Combat Talon II, Walter Brend grind in 1999. This one actually has a lock on it. Most Microtechs do not. Single action with a lock. Flawless action. Very, very nice piece. Any collector would love to acquire this one, so happy hunting and hope to see you here next year at the Gator Cutlery Show. Thank you.
Excellent.